Okay. So now how we will calculate the delays? We can calculate the queuing delay by like this, just I have told you, by calculating for every node, okay, every packet, how much queuing delay was there, how much total end-to-end delay was there, how many packets are transmitted, how many packets are received. Okay, so these things we can calculate by counting the number of packets here, but we cannot manually count because there are around 20,000 lines in this trace file. So we cannot count manually. So what we will have to do? We will have to take help of some another code. Okay, so this is the advantage of Ubuntu. Okay, that is why NS2 is not compatible in Windows. Okay, because Ubuntu provides us a lot of flexibilities, okay, with relation to accessing a file and making changes in a file like this. From a particular code only we can write a particular code to change another file. Okay, so now we will see how we get the result. Okay, now again pay attention. However, there is nothing much left to get the result. Okay, what we will do? There is one command, you please see it carefully. AWK space -f space the name of AWK file. Okay, I sent you the AWK file for throughput. So the name for that file is throughput.awk. So I will be using it. Space the name of trace file. What is the name of trace file? out1.tr. Okay. So this is the command that I am writing. AWK-f, okay, throughput.awk space out1.tr. Okay, this is the AWK file name and this is the trace file name. Okay, now if you press enter, you can see some information written here. What is this information? Total packets sent 3599. Okay. Total packets received 2268. Packet delivery ratio is what? 63%. Okay. If we divide 2268 by 3599, you will be getting the result. Okay. Now I will explain the command. AWK-f, it is fixed. Okay, there is no change in that. AWK space -f is always fixed. Okay, PPT I will share, PPT as well as the lecture recording. I hope a lecture is being recorded, it is being recorded. I hope there will not be any problem in that. Okay, so I will share the PPT as well as the recorded lecture. Okay. So now what will happen? AWK space -f, this is always fixed. Okay, we should not change it. The only change is in the name of these files. Okay, why we are using out1.tr here? Why not anything else? Because if you see the code, in the code we wrote the file name as out1.tr. I can show you here. We wrote as out1.tr, not anything else. Whatever name we have written here, that file is generated with the TCL file. If you look into the folder where you kept the TCL file, one file named out1.tr is generated. Okay, that is why I have written the name out1.tr. If you want to write anything else, you can write. There is no problem in that. Similarly, the AWK file name that I sent you named as throughput.awk. That is why I have written throughput. If it is, if the name is different, we should use the different name. Okay, if the name is different, the same name we will have to use here. Okay, Okay, so after getting the result, the throughput is calculated here as 118125 bytes per second. Okay, this much of data is getting transmitted per second. So this is the result